Alright, so I finally just got another replacement when it comes to my water filter in my fridge, and I've been buying these for many years now, and I wanted to show this one off to you guys because this one actually works really well and doesn't have any type of leaks, which is nice, and it's able to really pull out a lot of the contaminants when it comes to like the taste as well as the odors in the water. I think it's around like 70 different contaminants it's able to pull out of the water, which is super nice and really impressive compared to other filters I've seen out there for refrigerators. They're claiming like maybe 30 or 20 or 25 different contaminants that they're able to pull out of the water, but this one's really able to check everything off the list, which I like. So I want to show this one off to you guys because I would highly recommend this one here compared to the alternative, cheaper, off-branded ones. Those ones honestly don't really work that well. They kind of have some leaking. From me previously using them myself, I've noticed they kind of leak. They don't have that great of a fit, and they kind of don't last as long as well. They last maybe like 4 to maybe 6 months, but this one's able to last at least 6 months. Usually I'm changing it around 6 to 8 months or so, and I'll go ahead and buy 2 at a time, have one as a backup, and then go ahead and replace the fridge. I have one ready to go, and this one fits perfectly overall. It does have these 2 O-rings as well on the top here. All you have to do is remember to take off that cap because you don't want to install it with the cap. It's not going to work. Don't think yours is broken. Just take off that cap. You're going to have those 2 O-rings here. It's going to create an anti-leak system, which is nice. So you're not going to see any type of leak or water or anything like that after you replace it with the OEM one, which is nice. And when it comes to installing, all you have to do is locate where yours is in your fridge because it's able to be compatible with a bunch of different ones. I think like Maytag and Whirlpool and KitchenAid and a whole bunch of other ones that you can double check online and make sure that yours is compatible. But go ahead and locate where yours is. Go ahead and pop off the cover. All you have to do is counterclockwise to go ahead and start to pull it out and loosen it, and then take your new one, push it into place, and turn it clockwise. I think it's like a half turn maybe. It's not even that hard to install, so really anyone can do it. And then you can go ahead and pop the cover back on and you're ready to start using it. But one thing that I do recommend is flushing the system out. So you do want to flush out the water filter, and that's one really important thing that I don't see a lot of people talking about online when you're replacing your filter, because one thing you're going to see is you're going to see a lot of the carbon and things like that that are in the filter actually get pulled out of it, which is totally normal. And it's also going to go ahead and regulate the actual PSI of the water filtration system in your fridge. And it's going to be pushing out the air bubbles and things like that since you went ahead and pulled the old one out and put the new one in. So go ahead and replace it, and then the next thing you want to do is grab a giant bowl or even like those big water containers like the gallon ones, and pull out around like a gallon or maybe a little bit more to be safe of water to go ahead and flush the system out and prep the filter to be ready to be used for your ice machine as well as your water. So if you're looking to pick up a new water filter for your new fridge, or if you're looking to find some new replacements, maybe you're tired of using the old ones that have been leaking, or you don't feel like they've been lasting that long or pulling all the contaminants out that they should be, then I would definitely recommend going with the EveryDrop here. This has been working wonders for me lately. So I definitely don't plan on changing to any different type of brand anytime soon, or really switching it up, because it works well, and that's really all you're looking for when you're trying to get a new filter for your refrigerator, for your ice and your water machine. So if you're looking to pick up a new one, I would definitely recommend grabbing this one here. Go ahead and double check and make sure that it is compatible with your fridge, but if not, I know they have a bunch of other ones that you can pick up that is compatible. So this is gonna have you taken care of. If you're looking to pick up a new one, I would definitely recommend grabbing this one here.